Hey, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Programming Hub application on your PC. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in webcatalog.io and click on enter. You need to download this app to use Programming Hub on your PC. Now click on Download Web Catalog Desktop, which is at the middle of your screen. Now click on Download for Windows. You can also download it for macOS and Linux. After that, your setup file will be downloaded shortly. After the download is completed, tap and open the setup file. Now make sure that you are selecting an app section and at the search bar type in Programming Hub. And you will find the application here. Click on it and click on Install button. After the download is completed, you can click on Open button. Now sign in or sign up to your account and you can use Programming Hub on your PC. So that is how you can download Programming Hub application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.